All right, let's dive in. We've all gotten really good at what people are calling vibe coding, right? Using AI to brainstorm, spit out code, even build whole apps. But that's only half the battle. The real unlock, the thing that changes everything, is turning all that AI chat into actual real-world action. And that's exactly what we're going to break down.
And this is the big question, isn't it? It's one thing for an AI to help you build a to-do list app. That's cool. But it is a whole other universe for that same AI to actually do the list for you, to check things off, add new tasks, manage the whole thing, all from a simple conversation.
Okay, so first up, from chat to action. Let's really get clear on the problem we're trying to solve here. What is the real difference between an AI that just talks and an AI that actually does something?
This right here nails the current state of most AI perfectly. You ask it to plan dinner, and yeah, you'll get a great suggestion. But that's it. That's the end of the line. An AI that can truly act doesn't just give you ideas. It actually connects to your app, it updates your meal plan, and it adds the ingredients to your real shopping list.
And that's the heart of the problem. Most AI assistants today are basically just suggestion engines. They're disconnected from our actual tools, our real data. They can talk a great game, but they can't reliably go into our databases, update records, or kick off workflows to get things done. They're stuck on the outside looking in.
So how do we fix this? How do we bridge that gap? How can we give AI the keys to our applications, but, do it in a way that's safe and standardized? Well, the answer is a critical missing link we're about to look at.
It's called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. Honestly, the best way to think about it is like a universal translator and a super secure keycard all rolled into one. Instead of building tons of custom integrations for every single app, MCP gives us a standard, secure way for any AI to talk to any app. It's the layer we've been missing that lets AI go from just answering questions to actually doing useful work.
So here's how it works in the real world. You give a prompt to your AI assistant. The assistant then uses MCP as the secure bridge to get to the specific tools and data inside your app. It performs the action you ask for and then reports back. It's clean, it's secure, and it's completely standardized.
Now, a new protocol is awesome in theory, but let's be real. Who wants to do all the heavy lifting to implement it from scratch? That's where Buzzy comes in and makes this powerful idea incredibly practical for all of us. Buzzy basically makes MCP a reality for builders right now. You build your app in Buzzy, you flip a single switch, and bam, it generates a full MCP server for you. Just like that, your app is ready for an assistant like ChatGPT to connect to and start controlling.
Okay, theory's great, but let's see what this actually looks like. It's time for a little magic. We're going to walk through a quick demo with an app called Buzzy Lab. It's just a simple meal planner.
Now look at this prompt. This is how real people talk. It's not some simple robotic command. It is packed with context, dietary restrictions, a two-step request to find a recipe, and update a list. This is a complex, real-world problem that would normally have you clicking around in an app for minutes.
And there it is, the magic. No suggestions, just action. The AI understood all the constraints, it found a solution, and it executed multiple steps across the app's data. It didn't just talk about it, it got the job done.
So what just happened behind the scenes? Well, the AI, using MCP, securely logged in as the user. It then used the app's own built-in tools to read the meal plan, search for recipes with the right filters, and update both the meal plan and the shopping list. And the craziest part? All of this happened automatically, without a single new line of code being written for this specific scenario.
So you see, this isn't just another cool feature. This fundamentally changes how we think about building software. It's a completely new way to build. See, the old way of building apps meant we had to try and anticipate and hard-code every single possible user scenario. It was messy, it was complex. The new way? So much simpler. You just focus on building clean, simple tools, like list recipes or update shopping list. You build the basic Lego bricks, the ability to create, read, update, and delete data, and then you let the AI handle the complex logic of putting them all together.
This is the key takeaway, the big idea. You shift the logic from your code to the AI. Instead of your application needing to be infinitely smart, it just needs to give the AI the right set of tools. The complex, contextual intelligence now lives in the large language model, and your app just provides the capabilities.
So how exactly does Buzzy give your app these superpowers, right out of the box? Let's take a look at what it generates for you automatically.
The second you enable MCP, Buzzy gets to work. For every single data table you have, it automatically creates a full suite of tools: list, get, create, update, and delete. If you've built any custom logic using Buzzy functions, yep, those become tools too. Buzzy even creates little UI components or widgets that the AI can show directly in the chat interface.
And this is so important. Security is baked in from the very beginning. This is not a free-for-all. It uses standard OAuth 2.0, so the AI has to authenticate as a specific user. It respects all of your existing permissions for that user. And it even gives the AI safety hints, telling it to double-check with you before doing something destructive, like deleting a record.
And what's really amazing is this creates a super fast pipeline to ship real ChatGPT apps. You build your app in Buzzy, you copy the MCC server URL, you paste it into ChatGPT's developer mode, the tools are discovered, you authenticate, and you are ready to publish. It is a complete no-code way to build and ship powerful AI apps without any back-end work.
So, this is the new playbook. Stop trying to code for every single possibility. Instead, build simple, powerful applications, connect them with MCP, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. This is how we finally go beyond vibe coding and start creating apps with genuine superpowers. The only question left is, what are you going to build?